Hey guys, another Ps4 here. Slim. Yeah, I did a PS2 here. It's been like maybe 5 years I haven't worked on a PS2. This laser, I felt proud of myself. Yeah. Okay, now the PS4, no power. Most likely same scenario as the previous video. So, let's see. Yeah. Those things are everywhere. Okay, let's see if I can just track it away. Okay, that one's out. It's not as bad as the other one. But hopefully, should be an easy fix. But I'll flip it now. Let's just see if it is an easy fix or what. The bottom. Okay, yeah. Bottom looks okay. So that's good. Okay. Let's discharge it first because I just plug it in just to test. Use my multimeter as usual. Yeah, it's going down. Okay, should be good now. Yeah, about 1 volt. Okay. Let's go. I know something is wrong, even though a bit. Let's make sure. Okay, it's good news already. There's power. There's definitely good news. That's a good fuse. What else? Okay. No short there, no short here either. That's also good. They should be fine. Okay, that's good. Where's the other fuse? This should be fine also. This is never a problem. It's too big of a fuse. Okay, let's flip it. That's the bottom. Flip it this way here, because usually it is the one that goes. Let's see here. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but this doesn't look right. Just look here. I'll say it's a little bit. It's not even resistance, but oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. This our culprit here. That's why I'm getting that heading is just a little bit too low. So basically, it's just shorting. It's like 0.07. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. What are we getting? That's good. And also good. That's perfect. So let's replace this. Hope for the best. Oh, okay. I'll remove this now, and then we'll take a look at the other stuff. Okay. Let's lift up. Stay up. Perfect. Okay, that's off. There's just a lack of what do you call it, flux here. So when we just do this, everything goes back to normal. No need to panic there. Okay, let me see. Do I have one power supply here? Yeah. I should have a new one anyway. I should have a new one in here. Yeah, I have a new one. one, but I don't know where it is. Should have, there was one left. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, let's just see if you'll see the model number here, or part number. I can't see it clearly. Maybe I'll just post on the video there. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, that's good. Can just do this. You don't really have to, but you know, so that you feel good about yourself. Next, okay, let's test again. We're going back here, we're not getting anything, which is okay. It's a diode, so let's turn it around. Yeah, so that's perfect. And over here we're getting some type of reading, which, yeah, that's the correct reading there. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, it's not shorting anymore, so at least we know the short is gone. Yeah, where's the other, the blown fuse? This one here. We need to get some type of reading, but now there is no reading there because on the positive, because this one here is the one that handles the positive. So this fuse here. So when you just test it to ground, basically not getting nothing there. Okay, that's out, that's out. There we go. Yeah, that's the one. That's out. What else? Where is the sucker? This sucker is also on its way out. Where was the soldering? Yeah. So we need the fuse, this fuse here. I have big ones, but let me just find it from another power supply. Okay, so we have one here, let me just see. Okay, perfect. I'll take it. Okay, let's screen a little bit so that it goes through easily. Okay, it's in. that's in there. Okay, let's see again. That's what I was trying to do here. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Yep, perfect. That's what I was trying to do there. Okay, what else is obvious here? Nothing except those two there. Okay, let's come here. Okay, that's normal. Okay, we move to this one here. I think. Okay, we should be good. I don't see anything else. I just don't see anything else. Usually this one, I think, does give about 3. Is it the one? No, that's ground there. Yeah. I think that's normal. Am I getting it wrong or what? Okay, so we'll try. I have a little bit of doubt there. That's normal. Yeah. Let's try. If it works, it works. Just having a little bit of doubt there. Is useful. As you can see, they turn this into a house. They have free accommodation there. Okay, let's see if there's an explosion. Okay, it's powered up. It's plugged in. That's it. Okay. Able. Okay. Yes. We have a working Ps4. Yeah, we have a working Ps4. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll do the cleaning afterward. Yeah, if need to.